Hey woodcutters, TopSaw here. Today I was going to go over this ProTape from the US tape company, made right here in the US. It's not quite a logger's tape, but it works pretty well in a lot of different applications, especially construction layout, but you could also use it for logging. This is a 50-foot fully retractable with that folding tab in the front there, and then it has that little bumper, and it also has an auto lock on there, which is actually a really nice feature. You could put it on your wedges bag, or you could just hook it on your belt, and you can measure logs with it. When I'm logging them down in the brush, I usually use the Spencer's log tape, and I keep it longer and I have that nail on it. And you can put that same nail on this one if you're going to use it for logging. This folding tab works great for all construction layout, and it works pretty well for logging. I'll pull a couple lengths right here. You probably wear gloves when you run it. I mean, it is a nylon coated, but it still could be sharp when you pull it off. If you are used to using a rollout tape like this, I would highly recommend you shift to a self-retracting ProTape. The change over to this one is phenomenal. There are a lot of problems with these. Not only do you spend all your time rolling it back up, but there's no way to hang it or put it down. So you end up putting it down in the dirt, and then you spend hours looking for the thing. This one right here, you just hook right onto your belt. It retracts, it locks. It kind of has every feature you need. So I'd highly recommend going from this to this. This might not be the best logging tape. It'll work for logging, but its real strength is in construction layout. So I'll show you how I use it here. Sure it's locked on there. Hook any log. Can't really cross. Pull it tight. Got 16.6. You gotta flick it off. Self retracts. If you're measuring to a length, you can hook it on, measure to that length, and it'll lock as well. So it does have that locking feature. Really durable. I've used these for a long time. They get dropped, smashed, and they just keep working.